All right, we're live. Eight times, 1244. Good luck. Seven, Aaron on top and bottom. Dice roll is 8. 1244, last and final. Good luck. Laura, spot 9. Congrats.